Who recognizes that sound? I'm hanging with the birds. I cannot see it. I decided to lift my canopy by trimming the extra branches, and so far then I heard that sound, so trying to find it. Can't find it. Just gonna zoom in right around there. I'm gonna zoom in later and see if I can find it. It's a beautiful day under the shade, that is, because it is about 32 or 34 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees Celsius under the shade. I'm soaking for two reasons. I took a bit of a dip just to cool off before I came up here, and it's also warm, it's also hot. So the closest I can think of this heat is Wajir. Look up the temperatures in Wajir or Mandera. Yeah, folks in Nairobi enjoy, because I know Nairobi doesn't see these kinds of temperatures. All right, take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. This is just random content I've put up. If you like it, like, subscribe, and click that notification. You're going to get random content from being up in the trees, hiking, different trails, places I've visited, a little DIY, just a little bit of everything. If that's your thing, let's connect. And for those of you that are into ornithology, let me know if you recognize the sound of that bird or whatever it is that was up in the tree. That's a different sound now. It's just not cicada season. I would say these are cicadas, but it's not the season. It's not the season. Who thinks they know what it is? Go ahead and share in the comments. Let us know.